What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going over Gala games, currently sitting at 0.045, down 0.48 on the day. Market cap 1.41 billion, 24-hour volume 260 million. Gentlemen, my trade signals are free. We smashed Sol yesterday. We're currently in another trade. Weeks in a row now, we've been winning week after week. If you want free access at the end of the video, stick around. So we're still within this wedge. I do think the higher probabilities we break to the upside. So we have a wave 1 W, X, Y, X, Z correction into a 2. Potential leading diagonal, but it's ugly AF. So you have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then potentially push up in a wave 5. More confirmation with a break of this wedge. If we roll over, we can come a little bit deeper in the wave 4. It's possible. But I would prefer to see a straight breakout out of this wedge. Looking at the daily chart, we did break out of this descending triangle. We bear trapped. Little retest. We're just consolidating. A little bit boring sideways price action for Gala games. If we can get back above these daily EMAs, we hold the bullish cross, then we can say see you later, push up to that target of 0.0569. That's what I think is likely. I do think the higher probabilities we break out from here, but of course anything can happen. So if we do roll, as long as we don't lose this low here, 0.04019, which would invalidate a leading diagonal, then we can still pull back and then break out. Just chip chop sideways for now. Hopefully we get the breakout soon as we continue to tighten up within this wedge. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. My subscribers only who sign up through my link. Top of the comments get 10% back on every single trade on their fees. Make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me an email. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, Forex signals as well. Trade crypto, trade Forex all in one place, completely for free. If you do not want to go the BITUNIX route, sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. But BITUNIX is a great exchange available in North America. No VPN, no KYC. All links down below. Smash up the like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.